So local football fans are still waxing lyrical about the cameo 2-goal performance by the Argentine superstar Lionel Messi, even though it was against Jamaica. Of course, the Maverick was right there in the living color to see the little man from his pre-game warm-up to him sitting on the bench to his grand second half entry into the game. The electricity in the stadium was something to behold. But I'm going to be Maverick and say this in this moment. Those Messi strikes against Jamaica, the first from the edge of the box, and of course the now customary Messi free kick special. Messi gets no extra props for scoring 2 goals against Jamaica, because when faced with almost the same situations in the big World Cup final, look how Messi touched on the biggest stage. Similar chances, but look what the man do. Look at this dying moment free kick in the big World Cup final against Germany. And watch what Messi do. Oh no, the ball no come down yet. So all I said to Messi and these droves of fanatical apologies at Germany and Brazil and France at them side the net, you must bust. And when you get the chance against